I'm Lauren from Pack Hacker, and today we're going to be talking about the Air Packing Cubes, which I've been testing for the last 2 weeks. Let's get into it. So starting off with the materials on these packing cubes, each of them are made with an 80D Cordura ripstop nylon, which you can see, bringing this up closer, you can see that pattern in here, which is really good for durability. So these bags are going to be, or these cubes are going to be kind of shoved in and out of your bag. So this is something where you want it to be really durable. And it's actually the same on the inside as well. So that bodes very well for longevity, which we see a lot with Air as well. They have YKK zippers on each of these bags. So it's something that we're used to seeing with them in terms of being a really solid construction that's built to last for a while. So these are 3 different sizes, obviously. We have the small here, which is 6 liters, the medium here, which is 10 liters, and the large here, which is 14 liters. So you do have a lot of range of size. I found that this was even a little bit much for me. So for the most part, I ended up using the small and the medium here. This large is really great if you're going on longer trips, just because of how much space there is in there, which I'll get into in a second. In terms of outside features, there's nothing really crazy going on. Each one has a handle on the top here, but not on the other side or any of the sides really. So it's just here, here, here for quick grabs. So when you're taking it out of your bag, you're able to just snatch it really quickly. One thing that I do want to note though is that it is so low profile to the bag that it's nice because you have a little bit more grab space here, but it's not getting in the way when you are packing. So sometimes they'll come with a larger handle and that can get caught on things, but this one stays, a pretty low profile cube here. So looking at the actual inside of the bag, we'll actually use the medium here just because it is a little bit more of a basic size, or the middle ground, I guess. So it opens in a full clamshell. So you have really easy packability here. I did find that the sides of it crunched in a bit, and that made it a little bit harder to pack. But once I started getting things in and had a little bit more support on the sides here, it did become easier for me to add to that. It was just the initial packing that got a little tough. So these guys aren't packed out too much, but you can see that there's no structure on the sides. It's completely flexible here, and it's double lined as well, so that adds a little bit more durability. But when you have this packed out, you have room to play with it. So if you wanted to add more t-shirts, you can definitely do that. There's a lot of space in this center area here, even with this chunkier sweater, just in this medium size. So the large increases that size even more. And in the smaller one, I can show you, I have a couple t-shirts and there's still a lot of space to work with. So one of the biggest benefits of this is how much room you do have, just because they are such a large size. So then when everything is out of the bag, say you unpack wherever you go, or you're all done and all of these clothes are dirty, you can actually flip this over to the other side here, and there is a half zipper that contains the same capacity where you can stick your dirty clothing. So that it's a little less organized. It's not as easy to get things in here as it is through that full clamshell on the other side, but it is pretty simple. And you do have a lot of space there as well. So if you open this up here, say you have a little extra space here and you say, well, maybe I want to use a couple different t-shirts, or I have a couple different t-shirts left. There are 3 t-shirts that I have in this, and I'm still able to get this cube fully zipped up. So that's the contents of 2 cubes in one. You do have a ton of space to work with all of these cubes here. And looking at this large one, it opens the same way with that full clamshell. And then this is great for You could do like a full outfit in here, or you can do jeans, like thicker materials, hoodies, zip ups, sweatshirts, that sort of thing. Something that is gonna be a little bit thicker, that's gonna take up more room if you wanna just put it in one spot. So you can kind of pack as you please with these cubes here, and you do have a lot of room to work with. So this is actually, this line here is designed specifically to go with Air's travel line. So right here, I have the Air Travel Pack 2, and you can see how well it fits in there. So obviously packing cubes can be used within any bag if they fit, but if you're looking specifically at this one here, you do have a lot of space, and that's the large and the medium that fit well in here. Now, if the small was still packed, you could probably get it on here if there was a little bit more space. You do have room to kind of play with the configuration. But in general, these cubes fit well within the Air line, as well as have a lot of space for you to kind of pick and choose which other bags you want to use them with. In general, I did enjoy using these a lot. Two things that I want to note about the material is that it is a bit crunchy, so you can hear the noise that it makes, which didn't become a huge issue, mostly when they weren't fully packed. So this one is fuller, so you're not going to hear it as much, but this one really starts to, you hear it pretty much anytime you use it. Another thing is that it picks up dust and dirt pretty quickly. So this, you can tell here, you can see a little bit of marks. There's actually more on the small here. You can see all of that, those kind of, they almost look like scratch marks. They do come off pretty easily with just like a wet rag or something similar. But if I just take my finger to it, I'm unable to get that off. So that's something where you're going to want to actually like take water to it in order to kind of remove those blemishes. But in general, there's smaller issues to have with the bag or with the packing cube. They worked really well for what I needed them for, and the size range is pretty solid. I almost wish there was something a little bit smaller just because they are so big, but in general, I really enjoyed using them. So there you have it, the Air packing cubes. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.